I'm not really interested on my YouTube shorts to go viral. It's more of the long form videos because that's where the money is at. That's where my rent could be paid. That's where I can start to say, you know what? YouTube is doing some good stuff over here. So as for you, how bad do you want it? You gotta want it bad for you to produce, and that's what I'm doing. But you will continue to see me up here every single day, up in your face, because YouTube is gonna pay my rent, and I'm showing you what consistency and quality look like. Because I'm coming out here every single day in heat, in motivation, and the list goes on, that I will be here for you, providing quality content and being consistent on YouTube. What are you gonna do? You better create that video. Just because you took longer than others on YouTube doesn't mean you fail. I wanna encourage you, so let's talk about it. Success has no timetables. We all have different stories, walk of life. We all have different motivation, mindset, and the list goes on and on and on. Everyone has their own experience, and the truth be told is that we're all unique in our own ways. So sometimes you may see others on YouTube, you know, they started their channel maybe about 3, 5, 6 months, and they went viral, skyrocket, and you know, we're all thinking, okay, well, gotta be something behind it. Truth be told, everyone has your time, your season, and it's about whether you set your intention and you're gonna do this. For me, I've been on YouTube for quite some time, for years, and one of my channel went viral, and to be honest with you, I made a mess of that channel. What that means, I started the channel, I really didn't know what I wanted to talk about. And so I remember when I started college back in 2016, I started to speak about my college journey as a tech, and that channel went skyrocket. Now, to make a long story short, I've made a couple of $1,000s on that channel, but because I wanted to mix my personal experience on other things, it didn't go that well. For me, I felt like I was struggling on that channel. And to make a long story short, I decided to start a new channel so I can talk about my personal experience, walks of life, motivating you, and the list goes on and on. So this is actually my second monetized channel. The great news is that I didn't care about what other was gonna say about me, because I know that this channel was gonna be authentic. And what I mean by that, I meant like I wanted to bring for you me this time. On that channel, you know, I was dolled up, had on my wigs, this and that. It was a whole bunch of things over there. And I'm not saying anything is wrong with it, because in the end result, for the last, I believe, 6 to 8 months, I started rocking my micro locks here, and they could see the transition. But for this, y'all are seeing the real me, starting from 0 to 11,000 subscribers, right? And the list goes on, and I'm still growing. The point is of what I'm trying to say is that, listen, we all have some resilience in us, and no matter how long it takes you, as long as you don't give up on YouTube, then it is possible for you to make your money. So I want to encourage you. Success has no timetable, okay? It's just not your season, but your season will come as long as you don't give up in this fight, okay? I want to encourage you because, listen, y'all see me out here consistently posting, right? And this is what you're gonna see. You will see if it makes sense. You will see if it doesn't make sense doing YouTube, right? Because I'm showing you my results here. Another thing, I want you to focus on quality and consistency over speed, okay? Because we will make mess when we speeding things up and we're not, you know, putting quality content together. We have to focus on it. So prime example for me, I'm talking about natural state of life. I'm talking about my experience, what I'm planning to do with YouTube, how YouTube is gonna pay my rent. I mean, a lot of us want YouTube money, right? And so a lot of people won't specify and be direct on what they need YouTube for, but I'm being direct in this video that YouTube is gonna be paying my rent. I am working a full-time job, but I want that money to do vacation with my kids and other things, you know, but I'm looking for YouTube to pay my rent, and it takes me coming out here, producing every single day with quality content and being consistent. So as you can see, I'm practicing those two things, and you have to do the same: quality and consistency. My quality audio right now may not be perfect, and that's because I'm on my lunch break, and I decided I was going to utilize my lunch break instead of taking a nap. My lunch is right here, and I'm providing quality content to you. So as for you, how bad do you want it? You gotta want it bad for you to produce, and that's what I'm doing. So focus on what I said. YouTube has no timetable, okay? Focus on quality and consistency and not speed. And last and not least, just use this journey as your story, your experience, and show the world what you have to offer. It's nothing wrong if it takes you 10 years. They will see your growth over time, and this will encourage those who are struggling just like yourself. And probably you're not struggling, but how long it ever takes you. A lot of people have their time frame of their goals, so to speak, what they want to accomplish on YouTube, whether it be 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 9 months, whatever the case it is. Even if it be 10 years, you have those type of people that will be attracted to your content. So listen, doesn't matter how long it takes you, continue shooting your videos, okay? Don't be depressed about it. I mean, if you're creating your videos and you're not getting much views, it's okay. Continue posting. You will get better over time. This is what you can do. I'm going to give you some tip right now so you can utilize and execute it. If you notice that your videos are not getting enough views, well, leave it for 2 days or 3 days the most, and then change your title. If you notice you change your title and within 3 days it's not improving, change your description and tags, okay? If that isn't working for you, change your thumbnails, okay? You have to try some things and test it and tweak it. I have done that many times. When I don't see my videos picks up, I just, change some things, but I'm not discouraged. I'm not, because I believe that one of these videos is going to go viral. Now, I went viral before on one of my YouTube shorts, and yes, it made my channel become monetized because my channel was not monetized before. Now, if my channel was already monetized and that video went viral, I would make a, nice little bit of money. But at the same time, I'm not really interested on my YouTube shorts to go viral. It's more of the long form videos because that's where the money is at. That's where my rent could be paid. That's where I can start to say, you know what, YouTube is doing some good stuff over here. But listen, that hasn't happened yet, and I'm working to my full potential because I know that one of these videos one day is gonna go viral. And I want to encourage you that you too can do the same. Be encouraged. Get up every single day. If you don't have a nice background, this isn't a perfect background either because I'm in a classroom, but find a corner, fix it up. Be creative with it. If that doesn't work for you, get up, go to the park, use your phone. Listen, you can do this thing. And I'm gonna tell you something. If you don't know what to talk about your experience. Talk about life, what you have gone through. You don't have to give all your business out here, but you could talk about some experience because every experience is a testimony to somebody. Did you hear me? I'm telling you. So you can do this. I want to encourage you. Go out there, promote to your full potential. Create your videos. Don't be scared. You may make some mistakes in your videos. You may not say the right thing, but it's okay. You will get better over time. I've seen this before. I have done it before. But you will continue to see me up here every single day, up in your face, because YouTube is gonna pay my rent. And I'm showing you what consistency and quality look like. Now, like I said, don't hold me to this video because I'm in a classroom, I'm using my phone. Sometimes the network isn't working right, so you may not get the best. But if you go through my video, you will see 80% of my content is quality, video quality and audio quality. But I'm not letting that stop me because I'm coming out here every single day in heat, in motivation, and the list goes on, that I will be here for you, providing quality content and being consistent on YouTube. What are you gonna do? You better create that video. I'll see you around. Bye.